Okay, this is the phone. I'm coming to replace the battery. The first thing you have to do, you have to take out the two screws at the back here. Okay, after you take out the two screws, you can find something very slim or blade, just put inside like this and open it slowly. And when you open it, please don't open it full. There's a connector here to the home key. Okay, so you can take out that one, open it like this, open it halfway and hold it like this. Okay, you can see the clip inside. You take out this clip. Okay, when you take out this clip, you remove the connector from inside so you don't spoil the home key connector. Okay, now you need to take out the screws. Take out the screws here, disconnect the battery first. Two screws here, make sure you put them in different place because sometimes iPhone have different type of screw. Okay, remove this cover, put it close to the screw so that you know that where you remove it from. Take out the battery. Okay, you remove the LCD so that you have more comfortable for you to take out the battery. Remove all the screws you remove, you put them in different place. Don't put it in the same place because iPhone have different type of screw. Okay, take out this cover on top, put it close to the screw, disconnect the LCD. Okay, now you take out the battery, find something like this that's not too sharp, just open the battery because the glue already damaged. You cannot pull the glue, so just do it this way. It's a bit hard, but just forced to do it. No need to scare because you don't need this battery anymore, but be careful you don't scratch the phone that much. Okay, just open the battery like this. It's the only way you have to do it. Just open it. It's a bit hard, but force it this way. Try to remove the battery. Okay, take it out. Okay, remove all this glue because the new battery comes with its own glue, so take out all this glue from here. Okay, now I need to fix the new battery. Take out this plastic. Okay, make sure you fold the cable exactly like the old battery. Fold it exactly like the old one. Okay, then remove the glue. Do it slowly. Okay, when you fix the glue, make sure you fix it at the right point from here. Okay, you see, then you fix the glue like this. Just rub it under like this. Okay, remove this plastic. Okay, then you fix the battery terminal first. Okay, then you put the battery down so you don't lose the position of the battery. Okay, now you disconnect the battery terminal again. Okay, then you fix now the LCD back. Make sure you get the right position for the LCD connector before you press it in. Okay, this is very nice like this. Fix this one also. When you fix the LCD connector, make sure you get the right position before you press. Don't force to press it that right position so you don't spoil the connector on the board. Okay, close very nice, then put back this cover. Replace all the screw you take out back. That's why it's good to put the screws different places because iPhone have different type of screws. Sometimes if you mix up the screw, you spoil the display. Okay. Okay. Then you connect by the battery terminal. Very nice. Then you put back this cover and close it. Very important to put this cover so in case the phone fall down, the battery will not shift. Make sure everything fits very nice. Okay, now you need to fix this connector. You fix the home key. You have to be very skillful to do it. Make sure you fix this connector inside. Fix it very nice. If you don't fix it perfectly, the home key will not work. Okay, make sure you fix this one very nice. Get the right point and fix it inside very nice like this. Okay, then put back this cover. You have to be very skillful to do all these things. Close it very nice. Okay, then you close the screen for the top here. Press it inside and you place back the two screw you take out. Okay, on the phone to test the battery. But you don't need to use the phone right now because the battery you need to put on charge for full charge 100% before you use the battery. Okay, even the battery is 88%, you still need to charge it full before you use it so you don't spoil the new battery. Okay, now the phone is on, that means okay. Hello guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.